So I get my own global knife out of the drawer, actually out of the sink, I'm sorry, and look at that. Oh my God. That's how good I take care of my knives. That sucks. Anyway, I'm gonna fix it. I'm sad.
Truth is all I'm looking for, town to town and door to door. Happiness is nothing more than Sunday at the zoo. Riding high inside the wires, the sum of all of my desires. Earth and rain, all it requires is love for me and you. Farm fresh onions. Big and round and sweet and real, good to eat and they appeal to anyone who wants a meal that's sure to fortify. Kiss the stars or sweat the years, it appears that all your fears won't bring to you those happy tears that feel so good to cry. Farm fresh onions. Farm fresh onions. Everywhere, planes are falling from the air. Take a good look in the mirror on the wall. Overwhelming to the mind, too confined, but still inclined to stay the course until I find the onion when it's all farm fresh onions. Farm fresh onions. Thinking straight into the sun, we're at its core, the onion one wants you to know there's never none, there's no need for alarm. Where millions, billions, zillions wait, proliferate their blissful state to welcome your arrival day, the day you buy the farm fresh onions.